Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Flash Furniture Stadium seat is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable seating solutions available for any event, whether you're cheering on your favorite team at a football game, enjoying a concert in the park, or simply seeking a more comfortable experience at a bleacher-style venue. This seat is designed to elevate your viewing pleasure and provide much-needed lumbar support, ensuring you can focus on the action without discomfort. Number 5. Alpcour Reclining Stadium Seat. Take your adventures to the next level with this seat. It features comfortable armrests that fold down and large pockets to keep your essentials near you. Made from durable waterproof polyester with a reinforced underside, this seat stays in place and keeps you dry. It's perfect for any weather conditions. Easily find your perfect position with this seat that reclines in 6 different settings. It ensures comfort in any situation. This chair includes shoulder straps for easy carrying, a detachable side pocket, a phone pocket, and a back pocket. It's made with waterproof materials. These portable chairs are ideal for stadiums, concerts, bleachers, and many outdoor activities. Use them for camping, picnics, or sporting events. What we like. If you're looking for maximum comfort and adjustability, this is the one. With its wide seat, comfortable armrests, and 6 reclining positions, you can find your perfect angle for any event. If you prioritize a customizable seating experience, this seat is an excellent choice for long games or concerts. What people say. Sturdy, soft and comfortable seat. Reclines for more comfort. Lightweight, easy to carry around. Storage pocket helps hold extra stuff. Good back support and cushion for sitting on bleachers. Wide is comfy for those that are a bit hippie. Easy to carry as it folds flat and you carry like a backpack. Number 4. Alpcour Reclining Stadium Seat. Elevate your outdoor experiences with our comfortable stadium seat. It features supportive armrests and convenient pockets to keep your essentials close. Crafted from waterproof materials with a reinforced underside, this seat remains stable and keeps you dry, no matter the conditions. With 6 reclining positions, you can easily adjust to find the most comfortable angle for any situation. Enjoy personalized support all day long. This portable chair includes shoulder straps for easy transport and multiple pockets for your phone and other necessities. It's designed for your convenience. Perfect for stadiums, concerts, camping, or any outdoor adventure. Take this versatile seat wherever life takes you. What we like. This seat offers a fantastic balance of comfort and practicality. Its wide design and adjustable recline ensure you can relax, while the armrests add an extra layer of comfort. If you need a versatile seat for various outdoor activities beyond just stadiums, this is a great option. What people say. Sturdy, soft and comfortable seat. Reclines for more comfort. Lightweight, easy to carry around. Storage pocket helps hold extra stuff. Good back support and cushion for sitting on bleachers. 2 different widths. Wide is comfy for those that are a bit hippie. Easy to carry as it folds flat and you carry like a backpack. Super comfortable. Plenty of storage. Cup holders are great. Made very well. Love that the back is adjustable. I have had back butt pain sitting on the bleachers through just one game. I sat in this through 4 straight games and had 0 back butt pain. Number 3. Alpcour Reclining Stadium Seat. Take your adventure to the next level with this seat. It features comfortable armrests that fold down for wider space and large pockets to keep your essentials near you. Made from durable waterproof polyester with a reinforced underside, this seat stays in place and keeps you dry in rain or spills. Easily find your perfect position as it reclines in 6 different settings, ensuring comfort in any situation. This chair includes shoulder straps for easy carrying, a detachable side pocket, a phone pocket, and a back pocket. It's made with waterproof materials, perfect for any weather. These portable chairs are ideal for stadiums, concerts, bleachers, kayaking, canoeing, boating, paddle boarding, camping, picnics, and sporting events. What we like. For those who want a premium seating experience, this seat delivers. It boasts a wide seat, supportive armrests, and multiple reclining positions for personalized comfort. If you often find yourself uncomfortable on hard bleachers and want to upgrade your viewing experience, this is the seat for you. What people say. The seat is comfortable and provides good back support. It is lightweight and easy to carry to the stadium. The wide seat offers plenty of room. Number 2. Aceletiqs heated stadium seat. Experience the comfort of home, even at the stadium. Our heated seat takes your game-watching experience to a whole new level, keeping you warm and cozy. Never fear the cold again. With 3 adjustable heat settings up to 115°F and the USB battery included, you can enjoy warmth right out of the box. Feel at home anywhere with this seat. It features a waterproof bottom, water-resistant construction, memory foam cushions, and multiple reclining positions for ultimate relaxation. Keep your favorite snacks and drinks close by. With a large back pocket, zippered side pockets, and a convenient cup holder, everything you need is at your fingertips. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee, ensuring you always have the best customer experience. Take this smart, foldable seat anywhere. With back straps for easy carrying, it's perfect for sports games, camping, or any outdoor adventure. What we like. If you tend to get cold easily or are attending events in chilly weather, this heated seat is a game changer. With 3 levels of warmth and an included USB battery, you can stay cozy for hours. If you're a dedicated fan who braves the cold to support your team, this seat will keep you comfortable. What people say. The seat is comfortable and provides good back support. It is lightweight and easy to carry, with a convenient handle. The seat is durable and holds up well to frequent use. Number 1. Alpcour folding stadium seat. Experience unparalleled comfort at any game or outdoor event. This lightweight and portable seat transforms any bench into a cozy lounge, perfect for everyone. Don't let the weather stop you. Constructed from durable, waterproof polyester, it keeps you dry and comfortable, rain or shine, with a non-slip texture for added safety. Find your perfect relaxation angle with 6 adjustable reclining positions. It easily converts from upright to a flat sleeping position, helping to alleviate back and neck pain. Keep your essentials close at hand. A built-in mesh pocket is perfect for storing your phone, keys, snacks, or other small items you need quick access to. Enjoy effortless portability. Weighing only 4.2 pounds, it folds up quickly and features a durable strap for hands-free carrying, making it ideal for any adventure. Give the gift of comfort to anyone on your list. It's an ideal present for family members and friends, perfect for holidays or any occasion. Elevate your family gatherings and outdoor experiences. This seat provides the ultimate comfort, allowing you to focus on making cherished memories together. What we like. If superior cushioning and all-weather protection are your top priorities, consider this option. Its extra thick padding provides exceptional comfort, and the waterproof material keeps you dry. If you're looking for a durable, comfortable seat that's also easy to transport for various outdoor gatherings, this is an ideal pick. What people say. This stadium seat is a game changer for watching sports. It's incredibly comfortable and provides excellent back support, making long games much more enjoyable. I love how portable and lightweight this seat is. It folds up easily and has a convenient handle, so I can take it anywhere, from the stadium to the park. The durable construction and water-resistant fabric mean this seat can withstand the elements. It's held up perfectly after multiple uses, even in rainy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.